Imagine this. You're sitting at your computer right now. You type something like, "Create a medieval castle where I can cast spells like Harry Potter." And within literally seconds, you're walking through Hogwarts, casting actual spells, opening doors, exploring rooms that didn't even exist 10 seconds ago. Sounds like complete science fiction, right? Well, Google just made this reality with something called Genie 3. And honestly, we basically got AI-generated GTA before we even got GTA 6. This is absolutely insane, and I'm about to blow your mind with what this technology can do. But real quick, before we dive into this crazy tech, guys, we are so close to hitting 500 subscribers. And honestly, your support means everything to me. If you're watching this and you haven't subscribed yet, please just smash that subscribe button right now. It takes literally 1 second, and it genuinely motivates me to keep making videos like this for you. Your support is what keeps all of this going, so thank you so much. Alright, so what the heck is Google's Genie 3? Think of it as the ultimate world-building AI. But this isn't just another chatbot or image generator that spits out a picture. This thing creates fully interactive 3D environments that you can actually walk around in, explore, and interact with, all from simple text descriptions. Like, picture this. You could type, "desert planet with 2 suns and floating rocks." And boom, you're suddenly exploring an alien world that looks like it came straight out of Star Wars. You can move around, pick up objects, jump on things, and the entire environment responds to everything you do in real time. It's absolutely wild. Let me give you some scenarios that are literally possible right now with Genie 3. You could type, "Cyberpunk City at night with neon lights," and instantly, you're walking through your own Blade Runner world. Or how about, "Zombie apocalypse in a shopping mall," and suddenly, you're living your own Walking Dead episode. Try "medieval tavern with dragons flying outside," and you're basically in Skyrim, but it was generated on the spot just for you. The possibilities are literally endless, and that's not even the crazy part yet. For education, imagine typing "ancient Rome during Caesar's time," and actually walking through the forum, seeing history come alive around you. Or "inside the human heart," where you can explore the cardiovascular system like you shrunk down and went inside. How about "surface of Mars with a research station," where you get to experience space exploration firsthand. This could completely revolutionize how we learn about literally everything. Now here's what makes this even more incredible. All of this runs at 720p resolution at 24 frames per second. We're not talking about some pixelated, laggy mess. This is smooth, crisp graphics that actually look good. I know that might not sound impressive compared to modern gaming, but remember, this entire world is being generated from scratch in real time by AI. That's absolutely bonkers when you think about it. Okay, so let me break down the technical stuff, but I'll keep it simple. Genie 3 basically works like a super advanced version of ChatGPT. But instead of generating text word by word, it's generating entire worlds frame by frame. The AI has this extended memory system, so unlike older models that would forget everything after like 10 seconds, Genie 3 remembers your interactions for several minutes. You can walk around a corner, come back, and everything is exactly where you left it. But here's the really mind-blowing part. This AI teaches itself how physics work. Nobody programmed gravity or collision detection into it. The AI just learned how objects should fall, bounce, and interact with each other by watching tons of video data. It's like it developed its own understanding of how the physical world works, which is honestly kind of terrifying, but also amazing. Imagine learning about the solar system by actually flying between planets, or understanding chemistry by watching molecules interact in 3D space around you. This could make learning so much more engaging and effective. Scientists and researchers are probably the most excited about this, though. They can create controlled virtual worlds to train robots and AI agents without any real-world risks or costs. Want to test how a self-driving car handles a blizzard? Generate a virtual blizzard. Need to train a rescue robot for earthquake scenarios? Create virtual disaster environments. The possibilities for AI research are endless. But okay, here's the reality check that's going to disappoint some of you. Genie 3 is not available to the public yet. This is currently just a research tool that only Google scientists have access to. There's no official release date, and honestly, the computational power required to run this thing is absolutely massive. We're talking about server farms worth of processing power just to generate these worlds in real time. Think of it like the early days of GPT-3. It started as this exclusive research project, then gradually became available to developers, and eventually, regular people could use it. Genie 3 is probably following a similar path, but we're likely looking at years rather than months before you can actually use this at home. The technology exists, which is incredible, but making it accessible to everyone is a whole different challenge. So what does this mean for the future? Genie 3 represents this fundamental shift in how we think about creating digital content. We're moving toward a future where making interactive 3D worlds is as easy as writing a sentence. For gaming, imagine games where every single playthrough generates completely new worlds. No more finishing a game and having nothing left to explore. Your adventures could be literally infinite. For the metaverse, instead of companies spending millions to build virtual worlds, they could generate them instantly based on what users want. We're living through this moment in history where AI is transitioning from just understanding our world to creating entirely new ones. And I don't know about you, but that gets me incredibly excited about what's coming next. So let me know in the comments. What's the first world you'd create with Genie 3? I'm curious what you all would come up with. And if this video got you as excited about the future as I am, definitely smash that subscribe button. And I'll see you in the next video where we dive into more crazy AI developments. Thanks for watching.